Hello everyone, my name is Deeksha ji, a first year student in Computer Science and Business System. Today, I am excited to introduce you to my proposed startup company, Spark Horizon. I am here reimagining the traditional pen into a versatile high-tech tool called the Smart Pen Pro. Let's explore how this innovative product addresses modern needs and enhances the writing experience. First stage is empathizing stage. During the empathizing stage, we gathered feedback from customers to understand their needs and preferences for a pen. Here are some of the ideas they mentioned. First idea is customers want a pen with a soft, non-slip grip and balanced weight to reduce hand and wrist strain during long ride sessions. Erasable ink is the second idea they mentioned. They prefer innovative erasable ink that allows them to correct mistakes easily without leaving smudges or residue. Third idea is they design integrated voice recognition technology that can transcribe spoken words into written text automatically. Fourth idea is they want the pen to be made from recycled materials with refillable cartridges and options for customizable engravings and colors. Now we will be seeing second stage, that is defining stage. Based on the feedback from empathizing stage, we identified new features to enhance the existing pen, which we are now calling the Smart Pen Pro. Third stage is idea stage. Here are some additional features we plan to include in the Smart Pen Pro. First feature is the pen can serve as a stylus for touch screens. Also, it includes a laser pointer for presentation and also it has a small flashlight for convenience. Second feature is a built-in activity tracker to monitor steps taken, calories burnt and posture during writing sections. Third feature is capabilities to write and translate text into different languages in real time. Fourth feature is the pen can function as a 3D printer, allowing users to draw objects in 3D dimensions. Now we will be seeing fourth stage, that is prototype stage. In the prototype stage, a real working model of the Smart Pen Pro needs to be created. However, due to time constraints, I have created a sketch of the design. Here, I will be showing a sketch of the Smart Pen Pro illustrating all the features mentioned above. Now, it is the fifth stage, testing stage. To validate my design and ensure it meets customer expectations, we need feedback from potential users. Please provide your thoughts and suggestions on the Smart Pen Pro design and features in the comment section of this presentation video. Your feedback is crucial for me to improve the product. Thank you.